IPS. National Competitiveness Research 2025. Just as natural resource abundance does not guarantee prosperity, national competitiveness is ultimately shaped by strategy. Population size alone does not determine national strength. So, where does a country's national competitiveness truly come from? This question lies at the core of today's analysis. The IPSNC team is co-chaired by Dong-Sung Cho and Hui Chang Moon, together with Director DeLong Huang and researcher Shuying Fang. Strategy plays a critical role in national competitiveness. Under the cost strategy, Canada ranks first, but under the differentiation strategy, it falls to 5th place. Switzerland moves from 8th under cost to 1st under differentiation. The United States rises from 10th under the cost strategy to 4th under the differentiation strategy. The same country can tell a completely different story under a different strategic lens. This is why strategy matters. Here are the full rankings of 62 countries, regions under the cost strategy. Canada leads the cost strategy rankings, with the UAE in 2nd place and Australia ranking 3rd. And here are the full rankings of 62 countries' regions under the differentiation strategy. Switzerland leads the differentiation strategy rankings, with Sweden in 2nd place and Denmark ranking 3rd. To understand why these rankings change, we need to look beyond the numbers. IPSNC analyzes national competitiveness through the IPS model, which builds on the diamond model, the 9-factor model, and the double diamond model, and consists of 8 factors covering both physical and human factors. Here, we briefly highlight the top countries for each factor. Factor conditions depend on resources and infrastructure, led by Australia. Demand conditions reward large and sophisticated markets, led by the United States. Related industries benefit from strong clusters, where Singapore stands out. Business context reflects openness and regulation, led by Hong Kong SAR. Top-ranked countries may appear similar, but their competitiveness works differently. Switzerland reflects balanced competitiveness across 3 of the 4 physical factors, while Sweden is driven by a focused strength in industrial ecosystems and institutions. The workers' factor is driven by scale and dynamism, led by China. Policymakers and administrators emphasize effective governance, led by Switzerland. The entrepreneurs factor reflects innovation-driven ecosystems, led by the Netherlands. The professionals factor highlights advanced skill bases, led by Switzerland. The Netherlands is driven by people through a balanced talent pool. Denmark converts trust, institutions, and expertise into competitiveness. These patterns become even clearer when we compare countries by size and strategy. As shown on the screen, these are the countries with the largest ranking improvements compared to last year. Developing countries are rising rapidly under the cost strategy, while advanced economies are demonstrating strength under the differentiation strategy. Why does this divergence occur? Because for developing countries, rapid catch-up is the top priority, while for developed countries, maintaining leadership is key. But this is actually good news for developing countries. It shows that by effectively leveraging the cost strategy alone, meaningful advancement is well within reach. A prime example of this is Thailand. Now let us follow Thailand's catch-up journey. Case 1, Thailand. Why did Thailand jump 8 places in the rankings, from 34th in 2024 to 26th in 2025? Among all rising countries, Thailand stands out as a representative success case of strategic transformation among developing countries. What explains this success? The answer lies in a competitive benchmarking strategy, systematically benchmarking other strong economies and addressing weaknesses step by step. Step 1. Thailand showed strength in processed resources, supported by agriculture and manufacturing inputs. An abundant workforce supported scale, though worker quality remained moderate. Step 2. A highly competitive business context was one of Thailand's clearest strengths. Capable policymakers enabled efficient governance and effective policy execution. Step 3. Industrial clusters supported moderate performance in related industries. However, weak entrepreneurship limited domestic innovation. Step 4. Strong demand quality was driven by a growing middle class. Professional talent remained underdeveloped and below global standards. Thailand's competitiveness improved through strategic benchmarking, leveraging strengths while systematically upgrading its weaknesses. By systematically benchmarking strong economies and addressing weaknesses step by step, reaching the top tier is achievable. For developing countries, the path to the top tier lies in smart benchmarking and purposeful cooperation. Case 2, US-China. The United States has consistently shown strong performance under the differentiation strategy since 2010. Its competitiveness is driven by innovation, institutions, and high-value industries. China, meanwhile, is gradually shifting from a cost-based strategy toward differentiation. This transition is reshaping China's position in global competitiveness. These two cases clearly demonstrate one thing: strategic choices reshape national competitiveness over time. This leads us to an important question. What strategic path should Korea choose? Should it continue to rely on cost-based competitiveness or strengthen its position through differentiation? By reinforcing cost and differentiation strategies accordingly, countries can elevate their global standing, as seen in today's rising star and shining star economies. According to Cho and Moon, national competitiveness is not defined by rankings alone. It is shaped by strategic choices, institutional design, and long-term vision. IPSNC will continue to rethink national competitiveness through the lens of strategy, providing strategic insight for the future. For deeper insights, please refer to the IPSNC website and YouTube channel.